Hello everybody. Here is DDK's finished product of baby back pork ribs. We just took them off the grill and we bought ourselves not a grill, smoker. We bought ourselves a Masterbuilt smoker at Fleet Farm for under 250 bucks, and it is just fabulous. This has the DDK recipe, barbecue recipe marinade on it that's in my first book, Recipes by DDK, and it is divine. With that apple brandy in there, I think that just gave it a little extra kick. They are so moist. My boyfriend wanted to eat my half too, and I had to stop him with a fork in his hand. No, just kidding. But anyway, my books can be found at Grundhofer's Meats in Hugo and Flicker's Meats in White Bear and Olive Branch Orland Spice in downtown White Bear Lake. Or you can also get them directly from the author, moi, John Llanos, at 612-859-3270. You gotta have my books. This recipe is delicious. And you won't want to stop eating them, unfortunately, but maybe good. Okay, we'll catch you later. Till our next video from DDK. Over and out. Ciao, baby.